Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you like what you see and you click on that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, hi and welcome back. So on this video I will be doing this mohawk afro mohawk. That's just what I'm gonna call it because I don't have a name for it. So to start off, my hair is freshly washed. I'm gonna link a previous video for my wash day because I'm gonna upload the wash day that I did on this one later on. So I'm just going to link the previous one because I'm still using the same products. So to start off, I used the Isoplus styling gel that I got from Pep for 19.99, which is like 20 rand, and I used that to also pat my line with the wide comb, and then I went ahead with the needle. I will be showing that on the second section. So I'm gonna part my hair into 3 sections. So I start off with the back. I learned this technique of just applying styling gel on my hair instead of just sectioning out like I normally do. So I just applied in small sections on my hair and then I just brush it out. I learned this technique from Ntabeling Bitsane. I'm not sure how to pronounce her surname, but she's also a South African YouTuber that is posting hair content videos. So you guys can go check her out. She has really dope content. So at the back section, I started off by applying the styling gel like you saw, and then I went ahead with my brush to just make sure that everything is slicked down, and then I'm gonna go ahead with my rubber band to tie it into a small ponytail. Once I'm done, I'm gonna repeat the same process on the other 2 sections that I will be doing. So I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch. So now that I'm done with my 3 buns, I am going to braid them. You can either do a braid or a twist. I went ahead and put on my head wrap. I had it on for a good 2 hours. It really didn't take long for the gel to dry on my hair, but like I always say, it depends on your type of hair. So I am using the Darling Mali Kinky hair, which is the one that I'm going to attach at the back of my head, just like I'm doing. So once I've attached it onto my hair, I'm going to take half of the Mali Kinky hair and then roll it over towards my natural hair bun. So I'll be showing that in a minute, and that is basically what I'll be doing on the second bun as well. On the first one, I was gonna do the same thing, but I just decided to do a little bit twist on it, so you'll see that at the end. But I'm just rolling the Mali Kinky hair towards my natural hair bun, and then I'm gonna use bobby pins to secure it. So I'm gonna do this on the second bun as well. With this hairstyle, it really didn't last long, because once you go to sleep, the next morning when you wake up, the afro hair is all messed up, so you would have to redo it again. However, with my natural hair, it was still in place and it was still neat. It was just the Mali Kinky hair that I always had to redo the next day, which wasn't a train smash for me. But if you're looking onto doing this, just be prepared to always have to fix your hair the next day. Also at the end, I'm going to show you how this hairstyle would look if you do this without the side fringe that I decided to do.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So this is me showing you how the hairstyle would look like if you decided to have a mohawk that's just this straight and simple. But obviously I like being extra sometimes. I decided to do a side bang. So that's how it would look like if you just did it normally. Why am I saying normally as if this is abnormal? But if you just decided to do the rolls over the rolls, I don't know what to call this hairstyle. That's how it would look like if you just decided to just roll it over all the way to the front. But I decided to have a side fringe, so I'm just going to use bobby pins to secure that, and then I am going to fix the side bang. I'm just gonna cut the ends and just make it look nice and cute. So this was it for this hairstyle. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing and click on that subscribe button. Thank you very much for your support, guys, and for watching my videos. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye, stay safe and take care.
Whoa, 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 whoa.